Imagine if you could instantly understand whether the market is trending up or down without any complex calculation. That's exactly when one of the most oldest indicators helps you to identify the trend, which is moving average, and it is used by professional traders while doing technical analysis. Hello everyone, welcome to RMoney. And if you want to learn trading concept in simple, practical and easy way, then you are at the right place. Today we are starting the series of top 10 most popular trading view indicators, and to begin with we are going to understand what is moving average and how to use it while trading. So a moving average is an indicator that calculates the average price of stock and index over a specified period of time. So it analyzes the price fluctuation and helps trader to identify the overall market trend. So instead of looking at the random price movements, moving average shows the real direction of the market. As the price changes, the average also keep updating, and which is why it is called as moving average. Now here are three main reasons why traders use moving average. The first one is to identify the market trend, second is to find the support and resistance, and third to identify the entry and exit signals. When the price is trading above the moving average, it is considered as the bullish sentiment, which means that buyers are controlling the market. And when the price is trading below the moving average, it indicates the bearish sentiment, which means sellers are in control. Now here is a key thing which you need to understand, that so many professional traders use different moving average time period according to their trading strategy. The first one is 20-day moving average. So 20-day moving average is used when the view is to identify the short-term trend, which is ideally used in swing trading. And then next, 50-day moving average, which is used for medium term. It is one of the most popular moving average, which often act as a dynamic support and resistance. 200 moving average, which act as a long-term trend indicator, widely used by traders and investors. And then comes the golden cross. So this is something which every trader should know. So when a 50-day moving average cross 200-day moving average, it signals the potential long-term bullish trend. And when 50-day moving average crosses below the 200-day moving average, it signals potential bearish trend. Now let's understand how to apply moving average on TradingView. So for that, you could directly visit the TradingView site, or you can open the chart through RMoney's platform. Once you open the chart, click on the indicator and then search moving average. Here you have to select the period according to your trading strategy, whether you wanted to use 10, 50, 20 or 200 moving average. And now you can easily analyze the price movement. Now let's talk about the common mistakes which mostly trader does. Using only one indicator for trading, ignoring market structure, trading against the major trend, and using wrong time frame. So many professional trader does not rely on one single indicator, rather they use a mix of 2 and even 3 to 4 indicators to analyze the price movement, which is totally depend upon the one's trading strategy. Like many trader combines moving average with RSI to analyze trend and momentum confirmation, and many traders also use moving average with volume to identify the breakouts, moving average plus VWAP for analyzing price action. So trader need to understand that indicators only gives a technical analysis but not the confirmation that price would move in a certain direction. So they need to analyze their risk taking capacity, risk reward ratio, then only they can take help from the indicators. It's not a guarantee. Keep in mind that every indicator does not mean that price would move in a certain direction. So today we understand what is moving average and how it is used. So if you found this video helpful, let us know in the comment section. Until then, happy trading. Bye-bye.